Okay, class 10. Already we have started the chapter 26.2. Now almost all sums done, very few sums left. This is sum number 14. This is different type sum. What is the question here? Marks given in this way: less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, less than 70, less than 80, less than 90. And marks given, number of students given, that is 12, 22, 40, 60, 72, 87, 102, 111 and 120. Okay, here the number of students what is given to us, that is the cumulative frequency, not the frequency. So from here this chart we have to find the frequency or number of students. Number of students we can write as frequency, that's 0. And we have to make one column, that is class interval. That interval wise this is not given. So less than 10 marks, since it is marks, so less than 10 means we can write this class as 0 to 10. Next class is less than 20, so we can write this as 20 to less than 10, less than 10, 20, so it is coming 10 to 20. Okay, next is 20 to 30. Next is 30 to 40. Next less than 50, so it's coming 40 to 50. Less than 60, so it is coming 50 to 60. Less than 70, so it is coming 60 to 70. Okay, less than 80, that means 70 to 80. Okay, less than 90 means 80 to 90. 80 to 90. Cumulative frequency the given, already I have said these are the cumulative frequency. Now we have to find the frequency. Frequency means we know cumulative frequency is the running frequency, that means frequency, cumulative frequency remains always same. So this is obviously, this is 12 again. Okay. Next is, since this is cumulative frequency 22, we have to find frequency. What we will do? 22 minus 12. Okay, 22 minus 12. So it will be 22 minus 12 means 10. Next is 40 minus 22. 40 minus 22. So it is coming 18. Next 60 minus 40, so this will be 60 minus 40, it will be 20. 72 minus 16, this will be 12. 87 minus 72, it is 15. 102 minus 87, this is 15, again 15. Next 111 minus 102, this is coming 9. And 120 minus 111, this is again 9. Let us add this frequency, sigma f. Add these all, we will get this 9 plus 9, 18. Oh. Okay, this is also 120 and this is here also 120. Now what is n now? N we know. N equals to 120, so n by 2 will be 120 by 2, which gives us 60. Okay, where is 60? 60 means the median class now, n by 2 is equal to 60. To 40 median class, yes, purity frequency 60, so median class will be this. Okay, so what is median class? Class is 30 to 40. Okay, now what is the value then? Median class we know, then same formula, same. What formula we know? Median is equal to L plus median class 30, so lower limit 30 plus n by 2. N by 2 already we have got, this is 60. N by 2 minus CF, that means CF is equal to what? This is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class. Preceding class cumulative frequency is 40. So write here 40 divided by frequency of the median class. Frequency of the median class is 20. So write here 20 into H. H means 30 to 40. Obviously this is 10. Class size is 10. So what we will write? 30 plus 60 minus 40, again 20. 20 by 20 cancel. So it is coming only 10. So 30 plus 10. This is coming 40. That is the answer. Direct answer. This is sum number 14. This is sum number 14. I think now it is clear to you. Median class is there. Okay, the one thing, how do you know this? The given frequency is cumulative frequency, not the frequency, because just see the cumulative frequency column. Only seeing this only we can easily understand this is the cumulative frequency and we have to find the frequency. Okay. As it is 12, 22, 40, 60, 72, 87, 102, 112, 120. It is increasing. All the numbers are increasing. Okay. So this is cumulative frequency, not the normal frequency. Because normal frequency we may get in this way. Sometimes 10, 12, then 10, then like this, 20 here, then again less value, then again here 15, greater value. Like this we can get. But cumulative frequency, this is the very important thing. All the numbers are increasing factor. Increasing numbers. So this is the given the frequency what is given to us, that is cumulative frequency. So we have to find the frequency only, that is number of students. That is very important. Okay. Now next sum number 15. Sum number 15 coming with new video. Sum number 15, it will take time to do the sum. Okay. Coming with the new video. Thank you.